Díomh Harja inniu támuid in Central Park in Nua Ara, agus támuid chun ceistena a chur ar dhaoine faoin Gaeilge. Tá Brianna an seo lom inniu.
Gaeilge.
Bei córa agin in Gaeilge agus curthíimiid ceist ar na daoine an digan siad. Tá mé cinse go mé freagraí simúla agin, tá súla agam go mé, an sílan tú go mé daoine tiltseanach Lorthlin.
Níl mé cinse, you know, feicim muid.
Tá Brianna ina cónaí in Nua Ara leis na blianta inis, so tuigeann si an dearcú New Yorker.
Yeah, well, tá cuid mór daoine an seo ó áiteanna eile.
Tá.
So, beic sé simú.
Agus is dátha go leor turasóirí. An sahar na tá an áit hoppin. So tá muid ag súil go mór le seo. So fuairmuid an chéad duine tá tiltseanach Lorthlin. Díad, sir? And bhfuil Gaeilge agad? Hi there, what is your name?
Yana.
I'm Ellen.
I'm Salim.
Hi, I'm Alex.
One of us is John and one of us is Josie.
I'm Sam.
John.
My name's Ailey.
Martin.
And Monica.
Where are you from?
Belgium.
I'm from Scotland.
I'm originally from Bulgaria, but I've lived in the US for most of my life. I'm from Massachusetts, Boston.
My friend and I are just going to speak in a different language and we'd like you to guess what the language is. Díad,
Díos Murdich.
Cé mar tátu?
Go mai, agus tú hain.
Gahinta, gur maigad. An bhfuil tú ag buint soltas an lá aniu?
Tá mé buin soltas, gur maigat.
No idea.
Oh my gosh, I have no idea.
Is it the German?
German.
I don't think it's German. Not that though. I took German.
Yeah.
Ukrainian or something.
Something of North Europe, I would say.
At first I was thinking Turkish, but I don't think it's Turkish.
No. Díad,
Díos Murdich.
an maithleat is spini.
Is ní maicha mispini.
Oh, an maithleat capel.
Is bralam couple.
Maihan Colleen. Not Scandinavian.
Sounded a little bit like Italian, but not completely.
Oh, Italian.
Dutch.
Is it Dutch?
I speak Dutch.
Do you think that it sounded at all like Dutch?
No, it's no Dutch. No.
It's
Someone
funny,
else
a few
guessed Dutch.
people guessed Dutch.
No.
No. No.
For me, it's not Dutch.
It is a European language, but more to the west of Europe. A lot of people speak English as their first language, but some people speak the language we just spoke as their first language.
It is an island.
Not Iceland, is it?
Ireland.
Yes.
Ireland.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
It's not Gaelic, is it? Irish Gaelic.
Irish Gaelic. Okay.
Yeah. The language we were speaking is Gaelic. Irish Gaelic.
Gaelic.
Yeah, we're Irish
okay.
too. We should know.
I know, right? Irish.
Oh.
Have you ever heard of the language?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No?
Irish, yes, but not
Gaelic.
Gaelic, no.
Do you know anything about it?
No.
Have you been to Ireland?
Not yet.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
I went to Ireland a year ago and I didn't hear any Gaelic.
I've only seen it written on like road signs and stuff when I visited.
People speak English as well, and when you go to Ireland you don't hear a ton of people speaking Irish unless you're in an Irish speaking area.
You're Irish?
Yes. Well, I was born in Ireland and her grandparents.
Thank you, and thank you.
It's very Canadians.
Oh yeah?
The Candice is very,
It's a little, people say it's musical sometimes.
Yeah.
It's a little musical.
Sounds
Yeah,
great.
along the coast. Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
This was fun.
And these are not like made up movie like Lord of the Rings.
Nope,
These
it's
are
real
all.
No, this is a real
Real
language.
You have any thoughts?
I want to say like Gaelic, but
Gaelic,
I
yes.
I was gonna say Gaelic.
yeah.
Oh my
You're
god.
actually correct.
Yeah.
My shoe.
See,
That means well done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other people had no idea. Some
Really?
people guessed Dutch, which
Yeah.
is honestly like kind of the closest guess.
Yeah.
Which, they're not very similar, but for some reason, because it's not similar to any other languages.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you heard any before?
I watch a lot of British TV shows, so I've heard some Gaelic on some shows that I've watched and things like that. I don't know why I thought Gaelic, but
I as soon as I started, I said Gaelic too. So where are you from?
Donegal in the northwest. Have you ever been to Ireland?
No, my parents went a few times and said it's the best place in the world.
Oh, yeah. They're right.
Yeah.
They're right. So Ceannaigh, bhí me de géirí beirt eile a aisle ach níor Ireland. Ach sin cearcalóir mar sílam go bhuairmuid achtar históithe, agus bhí freagraí simúla agin, freagraí granmhara, agus daoine deasa so táid ionta sásta lei sin. Sin é tásúla gom gur bhaint sult as an ísean seo gur míle mai ag mo chud patrún agus tífi mé sa chéadí sean eile sin. A little directions, a little more to the east of Europe, right? West. no. And digging Shay, not she, not shit. I just made that harder. Giedich.
Diasmerdich.
Yeah, that's one thing. Don't have it too close to your mouth. Like almost in your mouth. Tamajin Shaw and you in Central Park, La Lorch Ladini.
Any day, Finland. What's there? Lapland.
You can guess.
Now we have to guess.
Yes, exactly.
You're Josie.
Yes.
Yeah, not German. No, but that's a good guess. Even though it's
I'll
not.
try again.
Not because they're similar. And Maithlat Aran.
Is Michael Maran, Augustusa?
Is Bralam Aran. Ach, is Farlam Banya. And will Cadagum Dulgaji and Lehris?
Neil Cad a Gatogin Mahers.
Cain Fa.
Ni Michael Tussa.
Ni Dinya Mai Hu.
No.
Ni Maithlam Tussa. Ni Ve Tu Eg Chak Higma Hosher.
Tammy go Mike or Mygets? August.
August Tuhane.